Look at my beautiful okra flower. That okra growing. Look at that. Time to harvest you. You getting big there. Okay. Beautiful okra. Hi, okra. Look. I see another okra over that way too. Okay. Any coming over on you? Not yet, but you coming. Look at you. Yes. Yes. I see 2 okras that I'm going to harvest this morning. Yes, look at that. Look at the beautiful flower. Okay, my okra. Come on and grow for us. I harvest 2 okra today. Once you start seeing your okras growing out, you got to check them every day because it's going to be a whole lot of them. Can't let them get too big. That one may be too big, but I'm going to eat it anyway. Okay, okra. Come on and grow us some more okra. Here's another one you have to check daily. Your cucumbers. Look at those beautiful cucumbers there. I have to search through here and see what else I can find. See if any more are hiding it among the leaves. See what else I can find in here. Any more growing? Look, there's one hiding underneath the leaves I found. Seen another one somewhere else. Where are you? Where are you? Look at that, right? Can I get the camera on it? Let's go back this way. Look at that one. I see you. Getting ready to harvest you. Any more down here? Let's see. Oh, there goes a little one right there. I'll let you get a little bit bigger. Okay. Oh, Lord. I'm getting you right on the camera. Okay. I see you. You say, come on, harvest me. Okay, I'm getting ready to get you. They hiding underneath the leaves. They're everywhere. Okay. Harvesting my cucumbers. Okay, today's harvest from Big Mama's garden. Cucumbers and okra. Looking good, yes you are.